In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Udemy profile on desktop. We'll walk through the entire process clearly, so by the end, you'll have a brand new Udemy account ready to go. All you need is a desktop web browser and access to the email address you plan to use, since Udemy will send a verification code. Start by opening your preferred web browser and going to udemy.com. Make sure you're on the official website before moving forward. Once the home page loads, look to the top right corner and click Sign Up. This takes you to the account creation screen. Here, you can choose how you'd like to create your account. You can sign up with your email address by entering your full name and email. Or, if you prefer to use an existing account, you can select Google, Facebook, or Apple by clicking the corresponding icon. Using an existing account can be convenient because it keeps everything under one login. But choose the option that fits your preferences. If you're signing up with your email, type in your full name and your email address. Consider using the name you want displayed on your Udemy profile for a consistent learning experience. You'll also see an option to receive marketing or promotional emails. You can enable or disable this based on your preference, and you can change it later in your settings if you change your mind. When you're ready, click Continue. Udemy will immediately send a 6-digit verification code to the email address you entered. Keep the Udemy tab open. Open your email inbox in a new tab or window and look for the message from Udemy. It typically arrives within a minute. If you don't see it, give it a moment and check your junk or spam folder just in case it was filtered there. Once you find the email, note the 6-digit code. Return to the Udemy sign-up page and enter the code exactly as it appears. Be careful to type the numbers correctly. After you enter the code, Udemy will verify it, and your account will be created. You should now be signed in automatically, and you'll see your name or profile icon in the top right corner, confirming everything worked. That's it. You've created your Udemy profile on desktop, and you're ready to start exploring courses. Remember which sign-in method you chose, so you use the same one next time. Keeping your email secure is important too, since it's how you verify your account. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your learning journey on Udemy.